we got some exotic snacks now. Let's try them. I can't wait.
Now give me the box.
Open them things up. What we got?
Got my switchblade.
Let's see.
I can't wait.
Don't hurt nobody, mama.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Sad. Money.
Watch out.
Oh, y'all notice anything different about me?
What?
Zoom in on that.
Those.
You can't see it.
Little.
I see.
Back up.
I
fool.
see Cheetos. I see Cheetos.
Back up.
What we gonna eat first? What we gonna try
Meat
first?
chips.
Hold on,
You
y'all.
gotta see what's in there.
My pillow's slippy.
Mom.
Okay.
Hot Cheetos. Korean Cheetos.
Okay, so first in the box we have some. What are these? These are Cheetos.
Korean
These
Cheetos.
are smoky barbecue flavored Cheetos. And these are from, where are these from?
How you reading Korean.
Well, I'm not reading the language. There's some English on here. Where are these from?
Where's Korea at, Kaden?
And Japan.
Y'all. I don't see the.
No.
Oh, Korea. These are
Korea.
from Korea.
Yep.
So we got those.
Oreos. Go to green ones.
Then we got these Twizzler gummies. These are from Canada. Okay, then we have these Kit Kat snacks. And these are from, ooh, I don't know, y'all.
Look
Japan.
like China.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Okay, then we have this
Let me see.
M&M piece of candy.
And
And I have no idea where
Let me
that's
see
from.
that one.
These are from China.
Let's see, Shiggy, one more time.
No, what's it called?
And last thing, we have a
drink.
Pepsi Cola
Let's see what that is.
bubble wrap. So let's unwrap this bubble.
Where's that from?
So this
That's from China.
is a white Shaddock and green bamboo flavor Coke. Pepsi Cola.
Let's see.
And alcoholic.
Okay.
Okay, so and this is from
No.
China. This is a product of China.
China.
Alright, guys. What are we going to open first? These. Okay, let's open those first.
Gummies.
We're gonna go for the Twizzler gummies.
Don't be snatching from my baby.
Cause I can.
You can't.
I get the first.
No, you don't.
Hey,
Pass them down.
Right.
Back
Throw me one.
up. Back up, fool. You ain't getting one.
How come I ain't get
You
one?
can't have one.
She want them all.
What is this? Look like a chili pepper.
Looks like a tongue.
Let me show you what it look like.
Don't.
Listen, baby, what it tastes like?
3, 2, I got.
It's actually fire.
What flavors?
You see.
Does it have the flavors on there?
What y'all think? Mommy, we're gonna start with you. Rate from 1 to 10.
10 out of 10. A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for Daddy.
Yeah.
Shiggy,
10 out of 10. Let me try one more.
Mommy,
I'm going 10 out of 10.
King,
I'll say 7.5.
Cadence.
8, 7.
8 or 7.
I think
7.
that was a 10. Them is fire. Throw me
Yeah,
another
them are
one.
good. Okay. These are called they're tongue twisters.
We're
I like
trying these
raspberry
next,
flavor.
guys.
Okay, so what are we trying next? What's next?
Kit Kat, hot Cheetos,
Let's
hot
try
Cheetos.
these.
Let me see.
Are these
Can I open them?
Kit Kat?
Here.
Let me open them.
Guys, I'm gonna go to Korea one day. Me too. Maybe just to try the snacks.
That's it?
These?
That's it, huh?
It comes in this
No
package.
food, just snacks.
Oh yeah, food, especially they noodles. They look bussin'.
I think it's just like this picture right here.
Mm-hmm.
These are gummies.
Look. This is cute.
Everybody take a little bite.
Okay, a big
Hold on, let me
M&M.
see.
I'm gonna take the bite. A little.
Flip it.
At the bottom.
It's not focusing?
Because they keep on locking on your face. Okay, hold on. Don't move. Just stay like you. I mean, you ain't got to stay like that.
We got the girl.
Yeah, we don't know what these are called because it's all in a foreign language and they don't, it didn't come, our box didn't come with like a guide or anything like that telling us where the snacks are from or what they're called.
And they ship really fast, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 2 days later.
What it taste like?
So
Tastes like milk chocolate. It's really good though.
M&M.
Shucks, did you get a bite? How's Kata last and he right next to you?
She took it from her room.
I'm last, y'all, because I'm going to eat
Little
the
boy.
whole thing.
She wanted the whole thing again.
Everybody get another bite.
Okay, let Kata open something.
Okay, go next.
Okay,
We didn't rate it.
Oh, I would open. Oh yeah, read
We
it.
didn't rate it.
I'm 100.
Okay. 10 out of 10, Kaden?
Yeah.
I
Kaden?
give it a 10. It's good.
You want to taste it?
I didn't think I was invited to this party.
I rated a.
I was waiting.
I rated a 5.3.
Tastes like chocolate.
I rated a 5.3, guys, because it don't got. It's like a.
Looks like you kept it.
It's like
So what's next?
Cheetos from Korea.
Cheetos.
5.3, King. We heard you.
Because they got a nasty aftertaste.
I like it.
Go ahead, Kata.
Siggy, what you think?
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100?
Yeah.
The chips are hard to open.
Let me open them, Kaden. Yes.
Okay, let's open the Cheetos. Kaden can open them.
Try to rip it
Let me
like
have.
this.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Looks like you can't open them.
Here, let me open them. Let me open them.
You can open it this way hand.
Let Mama
All right,
open
my
it.
kids can't get their way out of a paper bag if they get stuck in a paper bag.
This bag this ain't no regular.
Yeah,
Cheeto
that's
bag.
not a
Right.
bag. Right, that's like a regular.
You gotta open where it says open.
Oh, Kaden gets to try them first.
Let me smell them.
Oh, that face.
Smelled it like.
Smells like a whole bunch of salt.
Sorry, gang. The chocolate got me choking.
I don't like it. Fuck all the rest.
It tastes like a piece of meat.
Well, it is, what is it? Smoked barbecue flavored. Let's see.
Uh,
I'm scared.
Oh.
Let me see what they look like.
Oh,
ready? We're gonna try together.
Look, gang. This is what they look like.
they smell like coffee, or am I tripping?
Let me see.
Hell no. I give them a 0 out of a 0.
I give that a 0 out of a 0.
What do you think? You lying.
A 0. We all talk about and we call them, but they nasty.
No bueno.
No, boy, no.
No. That flavor is too strong. I just want a regular Cheeto.
Who is eating those every day?
Somebody. That is somebody's favorite snack. No go.
Okay, everybody, 0 out of 0 on those. 0.
Yeah.
Nasty.
These next. Open them.
Okay.
Now we got Kit Kat.
We already told you where they was from. Open them.
Nice open. Nice open.
Hurry up, Grandpa. We want to taste the snack.
Yeah, Grandpa.
Are they balls?
Yeah. Wait, chill, guys.
I get one first. Here, Dad.
Chill on it. Chill on it.
Come on, pass them.
Those are good.
All right, guys.
How you gonna try it before us?
They're not even on.
Oh, never mind.
Okay. Just butter. Weird. Butter. Butter.
The aftertaste is almost like a piece of coffee.
The texture. I
The
don't like the texture.
One more.
What you think, Shaq?
It's real gritty.
100.
You like them?
She like all the snacks.
It don't matter what she get. She
She
want
didn't
it.
like the chips.
What you
Okay.
think, Kaden?
One more time.
Hand me that.
I think it's time for a drink.
Last but not least,
I'll give it a 1 out
we're
of
gonna wash that down.
What you think, Kaden?
Those were 10 and 10. I like those.
1 out
Shiggy?
of 10.
100 million?
Mm-hmm.
2 billion. King?
10 out of 10.
Mommy?
I give it a 4.
1 out of 10.
I think I give it a 4 too.
What did y'all not like about them? They were good.
Tastes like coffee.
And it was
Okay.
sour. They do
Last
have
but
a
not
coffee
least, we're gonna wash this down, you guys. our
With
snack down
some
with this.
Korean juice.
No, China.
China
Chinese
juice.
Pepsi Cola.
Chinese Pepsi.
China juice.
Chinese Pepsi Cola.
And remember, I already saw the flavor earlier.
So
Green bamboo.
Oh.
Sounds delicious.
Oh, it smells just like a Pepsi.
Let me have some first.
No, I get some first.
that kid's good. And then pass the king, and then pass to me.
We're gonna waterfall.
Ooh.
Hold on. What you think? Go King. Come on, man. Hurry up.
Okay. Pass. Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Get a big old gulp, girl.
Okay, now I can put my lips on it.
No. You go ahead, son.
No.
Drink it.
Go.
My lips.
Just waterfall, please.
Let me taste it.
That's a very weird.
It's a weird taste.
I like it.
Let me see.
Let me have it.
What the hell?
Stop.
That's that green bamboo. Taste like grass.
Sure do. We drinking grass water. I'm gonna have another sip.
The aftertaste is not good in your mouth.
It tastes literally like sewer water.
King must
Okay,
like it.
King likes the soda. We're gonna let him drink that whole thing.
Cause King kind of look like a fish.
Give me some. Give me some.
Y'all like that?
It's good.
King likes any kind of pop. He's obsessed with pop.
I don't like that.
The aftertaste is okay. Okay, cut. Chill water, chill water, chill
I thought you didn't like it.
water. Cut the light. You better drink the whole bottle. I'm giving that meat a 0 though.
That was cute.
A 0.
He said that meat.
That's
It
meat.
did taste.
Okay, so that was all the snacks, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this little exotic snack tasting. And
Which one was the best one y'all like?
I'll go first. I say the gummies. It's my
I say
favorite.
the Kit Kats.
I
How about
say
you?
I'm going gummies too.
gummies. I'm going that Kit Kat.
Here.
I'm going that meat.
Give me a piece.
King, you're nasty. I'm going that meat.
That is Cheetos.
I go
What about you,
Give
Kaden?
him one.
What's the best, Kaden?
the gummies.
Tricky, what's the
You
best?
didn't have the most. Kit Kat and the gummies.
Okay, y'all heard it from here.
Bert.
Okay, that was it. That's the end of that's the end of the video, you guys. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.